Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you Northwest LLC Formation Review, everything you need to know. So let's get started. So now I want to mention that we have an exclusive deal with Northwest Registered Agent. You can form your LLC for just $39 using the link below. This link supports our channel, allowing us to keep making free videos like this. Thank you in advance. So now let's proceed to the overview of Northwest Registered Agent, and after that we'll go over the pros and cons and some other features. So Northwest Registered Agent has been in the business for a long time. It's one of the original business formation services. They are highly trustworthy and reliable. They offer a wide range of services to help you start a business, including LLC formation, corporation setup, obtaining an EIN, mail forwarding and scanning, and virtual office services. However, their core strengths are in business entity formation and registered agent services. Now let's dive into the pros of Northwest Registered Agent. So number one pros of Northwest Registered Agent is the privacy protection. So Northwest goes to great lengths to keep your personal information off the internet, ensuring your privacy. And number two is the trustworthiness. With a long history in the industry, Northwest is known for not selling customer data. Number three is excellent pricing. Their prices are competitive and they offer great value for the services provided. Number four is outstanding customer support. Every time I've used Northwest, their customer support has been top-notch. Their interface is user-friendly and their dashboard is excellent. Number five is fast and easy LLC setup. The process of setting up an LLC with Northwest is quick and straightforward. They guide you through every step, making it difficult to make mistakes. Number six is compliance assurance. So compliance is crucial when starting an LLC, and Northwest ensures you meet all legal requirements. And now for the cons of Northwest Registered Agent. So number one is the higher base package price. The base package price at $39 is higher than some other companies that offer $0 base packages. However, you get what you pay for. And Northwest includes valuable features that others may not. And number two is the additional costs. While Northwest allows you to choose what services to add, some people might find this structure more expensive compared to bundled packages. Now, here are some things that you should know about Northwest. So Northwest Registered Agent service is among the best in the industry. It typically costs $125 per year, but if you form your LLC with them, you get the service free for the first year, which is a great value. Also, Northwest excels at protecting your privacy by using their business address instead of yours on public records. This creates a significant safety barrier, keeping your personal address off the public domain. And then lastly is their flexible processing time. You can select your processing times with Northwest. If you're not in a hurry, you can save money on state fees. Alternatively, you can pay more for expedited processing if needed. These fees go to the state, not Northwest. So now in conclusion, I highly recommend Northwest Registered Agent. They are a fantastic choice for forming a new business entity and for registered agent services. If you use the link below, you can access the $39 basic package, which should be sufficient for the most of you. Northwest makes the process of creating a business entity straightforward and affordable. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.